My name is Mariana Colmenares. I am the clinical lead for Global Breastfeeding Clinic. Well, I have always been amazed about nature and I've always liked anthropology. But definitely when I became a mom 16 years ago, that made a shift in my brain and what I wanted to know about breastfeeding and parenting. And when I realized that there was a lack of training in between my colleagues and that there wasn't really enough support for families that might be struggling with breastfeeding and feeding in general a baby, that made me went through the literature, see what was out there. And when I found about breastfeeding and lactation medicine, it was like, that make all the sense for me. And being a pediatrician, it allowed me to understand many of the issues that babies had and how I was able to support these families. So I really got in love with a specialization around breastfeeding. I think the impact that support and early and professional and evidence-based support has in families, if it's early, it's really rewarding for me to see families that when you are able to support them throughout the journey, which not always is easy, and when it comes with the struggles, and when you see that families can meet their own goals and can even go ahead of what they thought about how breastfeeding or the first months of life could be with a baby. I think that's the most rewarding, like not just helping the baby, which is very important, but helping the mom and how that is definitely impacting the whole family and all around what happens around the family during this stage of life.